A lot of vaginas here. Not for the satisfaction. To put it inside. Professor Cervix. Oh! Hello guys. Hello guys. There's Arthur. We are almost in the hospital today. Wishes to all the friends. I'm a translator today. And it's 6:50 a.m. and we're going to the hospital earlier today. Why? Anksčiau.
Nežinau, tiesiog taip sakė.
We have no idea why. Okay.
Good morning dar kartą.
Yeah, you can tell a little bit what cycle we have today.
Gal palaukiam kolegų.
Okay, we're waiting for the colleagues. There we are in a hospital with Arthur. There he is. Yes, in a very good building in F Corpus. Kaip bus Corpus? Corpus. In F Corpus. It's very stylish, very stylish. Which of all the corpuses is your favorite one?
F.
Lazdynai. And what will yours?
Lazdynai.
Okay. That's a very unique taste, I would say.
It's because of good atmosphere.
The most important thing in working is your colleagues, not the specialty, but your
Colleagues
community.
And not the building.
Yes, not the building. There we have some simulators, some vaginas, a lot of vaginas here.
Everything for mokymo tikslams, for the study.
Yes, of course,
For
not for the
watching,
satisfaction. University of Vilnius provides us a lot of equipment. We can check the cervix.
Evaluate the bishop scale.
Yeah, the cervix.
We can evaluate bishop scale. Bishop scale is made from the four main components. So the dilatation of cervix, length, and how soft it is.
And the position.
And the position.
Yes.
The position of the baby's head.
Yeah, we can even examine visually the cervix to put it inside. Then like that and see.
Yesterday, Benedict learned how to make a smear test.
Okay. And we put it like that. Shakalmakal with the shakalmakal to get as much tissue as possible. And then we put it on the piece.
Microscope.
You shouldn't be holding back on the tissue because.
And you put it like that, so a lot of cells stay on the glass. What did you say, Paul?
That you shouldn't be holding back on the tissue, on the amount of tissue you take, because pathologists.
Not enough. Yeah, they always say
And
it's
you
not
have to
enough.
repeat the test again.
Yeah. Even when we send them half of cervix, they say not enough. There's also anus, this as well. So it's pretty realistic. And there are some simulators of
For Leopold reps.
Maneuver.
Leopold maneuver. First maneuver.
Like this.
Yes.
We would like to check where is the cervix. The cervix fund.
Okay.
So second would be we would like to check where is the baby's
The position.
back. Yeah. And third maneuver. Yeah. In what position is the kid? Is it?
And of course the simulator of giving a birth. I don't know if you see it or not. Shoop. Yes.
I would like to show Leopold to Grevson. Leopold maneuvers, but my colleagues is mobbing.
Yes, that's mobbing. And we have one more training for you today.
Yeah.
Arthur will show you how to make.
But Arthur today is going to show us Powell.
Okay.
How to use Foley catheter during
Giving a birth.
during
Yeah.
a birth, yeah. And
To-
we want to present him, Powell.
Mhm.
Come.
To induce, right?
Yeah, to start.
Yeah. Okay. Our expert
Powell,
Paul.
cervix expert.
Yes. Cervix. We call him Professor Cervix. Professor Cervix, please. Oh, so we have a Foley catheter here. Okay, we give it to the bowel.
These mannequins are not really fit for, for showing this exact procedure.
Yes.
They were not designed for that. The basics of this procedure is that at this point is inserted into the uterus.
Okay.
Through cervix, and then it is expanded.
Oh.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
probably the maximum.
Okay. And the other one?
And the green one.
Okay. Does it really help?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Should you push it?
No.
You should leave it just,
Yeah.
right? So the woman could walk and do all the
Yeah,
stuff.
so after it is inserted into the uterus, this end is attached to the woman's legs, and then she kind of stretches it out. When she was walking, so
Thank you, Paul.
Thank you.
Professor Service was here with us. Okay.
And there I am making some other procedures. You are always welcome to guess the name of the procedure in the comments.
No, Arthur is resuscitating a baby.
Not a baby.
Not a
big boy.
baby, yeah. Almost. Oh, iš pirmo karto. And we are in a library. So today is the day of the vlog. And as you have noticed, there's no vlog today. I mean on Saturday. And the reason is the library, because I'm getting ready for the exam. Edwin as well.
There I am, buying tickets for our trip. You can guess where we are going next in a few weeks in the comments.
We are near the house, making the territory look great. Mama as well is working here, vacuuming the camper. Now and we are making the unpacking of this mattress. Давай. Like that. Ready to leave. Who is here? Who is here? As always, ready to travel. They are always ready to travel. Listening to some music. Mama is playing with LED lamps. And of course, mowing the grass. Almost finished here. Going with Western to wash. Let's see. Clipping us? No. Okay. Thank you. Okay, how does it work? Okay, let's start. Oi. I was putting the foam on the camper, and for 2 minutes, and Mama was acting like filming, but wasn't actually filming. And now, шампуна сакта clean. It's absolutely not washing away. So we just now realized that we were putting shampoo, not just the water. So that now it makes sense why it wasn't washing away. Now it makes sense. Okay. And finally we spent 17 euros for that. And 3 euros was the cost of the card. So it was quite expensive, but we didn't know how to use it. So probably the next time we'll spend much less. I'm a bit wet. Footwear as well. Today we're making one more unboxing in one video. Let's see. It should be a marker for the shoes. There it is. We'll try it in a moment. We have shoes here and a marker. Let's try fixing it. It really works. It really works. It works so good. And there's something else. Okay, that's the protector for the camera, so you see me good. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I'm not sure if you see, but it looks okay. If you have any question regarding studying in Vilnius University or just in general studying medicine, you're welcome to ask it in the comments. I will answer, or I will make a separate video for that. Follow the channel so you don't miss the crucial information about that. And Acta is fabulous for today, and please stay happy.